All right. Well, after further investigation, if you'll look real close, the chrome is gone off of these. See that? So the cam's done. And what happened is it must have got down inside. Let me see if I can do this. So I've got this one rocker that you can just pull out. It's in good shape. But then you have this lifter down here that comes out. And I imagine that chrome got down inside this lifter and now it won't pump up. It's probably got more on this other side that are the same way. So more than likely, and I shouldn't be able to just slide this back on there either. More than likely, it's got, oh wait. That valve may be stuck, but you think it would be tight right now with the engine off. I mean, there's nothing holding it there. None of the other ones are loose. Like that one. It's not even on the lobe. And it's tight. All of them are, that one's a little loose. But yeah, and see, I don't know if you can tell by the video, but it's even, you can feel it, hear it. It's pitted. So I'm not sure I want to go into all that, putting cams. Now the lifter set, I can get the lifters and rocker arms, the whole set for this engine for like $100. So that's not a deal breaker. But then if you go to buying 2 cams and tearing all this stuff out to put the cams in, now you're looking at probably a good bit of money. I need to price the cams out. They may not be that expensive, but it's just the labor doing all of that. So, I don't know. This may just end up being parted out. Transmission was good. The guy said it was driving fine until this happened. So, it's got a good transmission in it. And the body panels, other than the clear coat coming off, you know, they're in good shape. They're not beat up, hadn't been wrecked. I do have all 4 of those wheels. Tires are junk. Got nice side steps. We'll see what we can do, but more than likely it's just going to be sold as a parts rig now. See y'all later.